everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our discussion of similar figures by talking about volume of similar figures. Okay, so the ratio of volumes is equal to scale factor cubed. Yesterday we were doing areas and we saw that the ratio of areas was scale factor squared. Now we're doing volumes and the ratio of volumes is scale factor cubed. One of the ways that I remember this is I think about units. When we deal with area, our units are also squared. So like if you're saying the area of something is some number of inches, you wouldn't just say inches, you'd say inches squared. When you're dealing with volume, you use units cubed. So it's kind of the same situation. When we're doing area, we do scale factor squared. When we're doing volume, we do scale factor cubed. Or you could think of this as the new volume over the old volume equals the new side cubed over the old side cubed. We don't actually cube the volumes, but because we're dealing with volume, we have to cube our scale factor or cube our sides. So let's see this in action. Let's look at an example. So here, this is our example. We have two similar prisms. These are rectangular prisms, and these are their sides. This side is 12. This side of the prism. This side is 4. This side is of the prism. Okay, so I'm going to use this formula. New volume over old volume equals new side cubed over old side cubed. I have to make one of these new and one of these old. So I'm going to make this new. I'm going to make this old. Okay, so new volume over old volume. Well, my new volume, this is new, is going to be 144. So I have 144 over my old volume. I'm not sure what that is, so I make it x. Now that equals my new side cubed over my old side cubed. So new side, here's my new shape. Here's the side, it's 12. So this would be 12 cubed over my old side cubed. So this is my old shape. Its side is 4, so it's 4 cubed. So I have 144 over x equals 12 cubed over 4 cubed. Okay, exponents are first in order of operations before you multiply, so we have to do our exponents before we cross multiply. 12 cubed would be 12 times 12 times 12, and that's 1,728. So over here, I have 1,728. And then 4 cubed would be 4 times 4 times 4, and that would be 64. And then here I just bring down 144 over x. I do not cube this side. This side is volume. We don't cube our volumes, we only cube our sides, or our scale factors. So I have 144 over x is 1,728 over 64. Now I cross multiply, and I get that x is 5 1/3, or you could call it 5.3 repeating. Let's look at another example. In this next example, I have two pyramids, and the base of this pyramid is 5, and the base of this pyramid is 10. I know that this volume is 50, and this volume I'm not sure of. So again, I'm going to do new volume over old volume equals new side cubed over old side cubed. And I need one to be new, one to be old. So I'm going to go ahead and make this one new and this one old. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. So, new volume over old volume. So I have 50 over x equals new side cubed over old side cubed. So, new side, that's this. This is the side on my new shape. So that would be 5 cubed over old side cubed. So over 10 cubed. So I have to go ahead and do cubed first, because you have to do exponents before you can cross multiply. So 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, and that's 125. 10 cubed is 10 times 10 times 10, that's 1,000. And over here I bring down 50 over x. This is volume, so it does not get cubed. Only the sides or the scale factor get cubed. So now I go ahead and cross multiply. And I get that x equals 400. So the volume of the bigger pyramid here is going to be 400. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please email me if you have any questions. Go ahead and try your homework.